Friends, in this video we will learn how can we make animation in CSS3. So friend, I have already made the basic structure of HTML5 and I have saved this page on the name of css_animation.html, and this page is also open in my Chrome browser in its default position, totally blank. So friend, first of all I will make a div tag inside these two center tags. I make once again two center tags, center start and center close, and inside this center I will make a div and I will make a ID inside it, right. This is an animation box and I close the div here and I give the name to that ID div1, Control S to save. Now I come on my browser and refresh this page. So you see that this is an animation box has been written here simply. So friend, now we stylize this div, our inside style sheet, by using internal CSS method. So here friend, first I will place a hash sign. This is a sign for ID and I write here div1 and make two curly brackets, and inside these brackets I will define first the width of that box, semicolon to close, and then I define its height 200 pixel, width is 300 pixel, and I have written that the height is 200 pixel, and I also give some background orange, Control S to save. So first I go to my browser and see that what's happening. I refresh this page. Now you see the friend, this box is been made in this way. I increase it is zoom little. So friend, once again I come back on my Notepad++ code editor, and here I also define the font size, give some font size to our text 25 pixel, press enter and Control S to save. Text line center, and I also give some margin top. I write here margin top 20 pixel to bring the box down from the header of the body. So I now when I will refresh this page, you will see that this box has come down little. So I refresh this. Now you see that this box has come down little. Now you can see it more easily. So friend, now I will write the animation property. So I will write animation, and friend, after writing the animation you will have to give some name of that animation. You can give any name, but here just for example I am giving the first, and here you will define the speed of run of that animation. So I just have given the 8.8 s mean 8 second, and now I use the position relative meaning that when our property I will use down, those properties will be worked perfectly according to my above given values. So I refresh this page. So you see that nothing happens till now. Animation will not work over it because I will have to come down and use some more properties. So friend, here I write @sign, and after the @sign I write keyframes, and after writing keyframe, friends, you will call the name, whatever the name you will give here, you will call that name down. So I wrote first, therefore I write here first, add keyframes first, and after writing this text I have made two curly brackets, and inside these two curly brackets, friend, you will write the animation properties and their values. For example, I write here from, make two curly brackets, and I give some background color to it, red, and here I write two curly brackets, and once again I write background color and give background color yellow. So friend, now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh it. So now you see that this color is being changed, and now animation is running. So friend, this is the one way of making animation in CSS, and you can make animation in some other way too. And the second way is, you will write here percentage in spite of writing from. So first of all I write here 10%, and I come inside and I write here top 10 pixel and left 30 pixels, semicolon to close, and I come down and here I write top 40 pixels, semicolon, and left 70 pixel, semicolon to close, and in spite of 2 I will write here 30%. So I press enter. So in the same way, friend, I will write here 60% and make two curly brackets. So I give some other background color to it, background aqua, and once again I write top 80 pixel, left 110 pixel. So here I define 90%, I make two curly brackets, and once again I give a different background color to it, background teal, and I also top position top 120 pixel and left 150 pixel, and Control S to save. So friend, now I come back on my browser and refresh this page. So now you check it. So you see that this box is moving and animation is also running on this box, because the color of this box is being changed constantly. So friend, in this way, in these two both the ways, by using both the ways, you can make animation in CSS very easily.